Hello, I'm Jason from Deeper.network. Now, if you have a Mac computer, you might have some troubles accessing Atom OS. With a few changes, you can make sure that you will always have access to the interface. Let me show you. Open your Mac, and on the left, click on the Apple logo, and then System Settings. It'll start you off in General, so scroll down to Privacy and Security, and then scroll down to Local Network. Your Deeper device is only accessible via your local network, so you need to enable your browser to access your local network. If you use Safari, Opera, or Chrome, click on the Enable Access button, and then you can connect with either local.deeper.network, 11.22.33.44, or 34.34.34.34.
Deeper Network, of the users, by the users, for the users.